yebeko enkofo nkroso na amanone nsem ni nyina wetimi dia bresi mediasa edi anim de oni yetena na afin so agudie mu nsem ni nyina yenso yetimi edi amount na yebeko na ya hyensem na se enso edi every baby ani eho ena miminda etwam baby ani Gold Stars omune eyade se mediama enso ebo coronation match na yede trophy no enso eba be hye omonsem na game ne ba na wie no eyade se baby ani Gold Stars anshebi mediama enso entimi anshebi ewo eye dance park eno enso ewo baby ani na game ne ba na wie no yenkohe ekwan medium baby ani Gold Stars efa so receive omo medals no enso ewo dance park. Entino yebe na MC afono edi akọ baby ani dance park na ehe ebra omo receive omo medals no ewo 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League omaje enso edi esi omo na so yes. Enti ube se coach Frimpong Manson and wajene medal kama Gordon Ablody assistant coach enso wajene medal and I just say omonso and nam trophy nanim ho sa ebra Gold Stars for enso eji omo medals no enso and I owe was Sompa 93.1 Sompa TV so na omo je medals ni wie no yen hwe kwan a omo fa so e lifty e trophy no. Anyway, a historical moment. Edema baby ani Gold Stars for the first time in the history of Ghana football. Omo champions of 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League. Omo lifted trophy no kama. And so ewo honomo. Na yewe no any assistant coach Gordon Ablody Edin Komani Ebusa say any jene kra. Assistant coach say any sifati.
Any jene deep many ati pa say aba abebi ani ayi finance cap many ati pa feeling deep.
Yes, indeed, feeling no a deep pampa and no a Gordon Ablody or no any assistant coach Edima baby any Gold Stars. Now Osai Edi Tuja omo challenges are omo face our season him.
Yeah, because I football they never play home. I was an injuries they play behind Naka. I had this rapid back at 69. Am I say am I been there at Magic League? But because I challenge say now by injuries.
And no a Gordon Ablody assistant coach Edima baby any Gold Stars and all the Tuja say challenges are omo face pano injuries are and also a set up omo team ni na ni nyina mu no omo timi enso age league trophy no e dey esi omo na so Charles Kamara Jemfi enso deputy captain Edema baby any Gold Stars ono nso e kire excitement abanimu
eni agie pa he mo ni mo ya ba e bi sa pempesu a eni agie pa wa hu a wa o hye so a uti se eni agie pa because Ninja Premiership na metim the Gold Stars aje Premiership na di obon se eni agie pa obi
eno Charles Kamara Jemfi na bimenda de emba ensuo hwe papa ntino otimi se dru baby na wiem no weda no asesa ama enoma ye basa enso honomo na eno enso Chara Jemfi ene di tujana Emmanuel Kobi momami Emmanuel Kobi ono ena baby any Gold Stars omo yi ni se oye player of the season na chese abrante no 18 clean sheet ena otimi keep with this season ntino eno ena omre abasobody eno enso amane kama enso eho inti Emmanuel Kobi yes waje player of the season award enso edc na so na ye mame bako ye friend Abena Azule ene didi komo se emfaso a economically baby any Gold Stars edi aba baby any no oni enche kakra
Sacheri ni die bebre omo ba ye no ye hu se ne ma asesa e wo soro ha de amayen ene oba bebie ni na se bo wa ha sa de a ene ye ni ani kura ene na emu ye nti Omo ba ye ne mu ye pa. Boy ye pa. Ye ne wo park na no de aboa ye pa. Aboa ye nti ye pese omo koso na omo ko mani.
Eno ye mame abna azure udu be dance park oton and the provision store come and say emphasize the Eddie Baby Abromo, especially on a match day. Say baby any goal stars ball gamer. They were they say omotono mano aboye papa ni remo and so ewo enkai. Na yenkodi nkomane kakra emfenfro onim say MTN FA Cup finals and so etimi eba so ewo University Sports Stadium and so ewo Legon and a Golden Cakes and Asante Kotoko and so etimi edi boy ni Kwame Poku beye enya first goal and Kumasi Asante Kotoko Golden Cakes through free kick omunya equalizer game no cry powered we additional time. And they say penalty and so a command Kumasi Asante Kotoko Kwame Poku ekwejina chira o converted the kama game ne ba na we no na Golden Cakes Oma Shebako ama Asante Kotoko and so etimi ashe ekano mienu a 2025 MTN FA Cup no they say Asante Kotoko omo ena aje and so esi omo na suntimu mame Asante Kotoko champions no na yenhwe de wa esifa etie yes omo ye champions of MTN FA Cup now Asante Kotoko yes and edaso kama enti oyese players ni nyina on board no mama me another champions no brana yes we a victory now and also etimi eba edema baby ani eye say Kumasi Asante Kotoko no na mama me ebra omo lifted trophy no another champions na enhwe ekwan Asante Kotoko yes enti no Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ukuma pima apimbeba no we eye omo 10th timer Oma J MTN FA Cup no and so EDC omna so na game no enyina eba na we no coach Karim Zito and so edin sem kakra etuja Yebesemona maboya my coach Karim Zito.
I know I'm coming to be a difficult game because they lose 91 with them. And we rather the expectation is on us. So at the end of the day, as I said, I can't predict one or two, but at the end of the day, I'll leave the cup. And I'm very happy to win the cup.
And coach Karim Zito no champania or very happy. So my lifted trophy no na and some or kind before the game ni nyina no ACC here because now expecting a tough game from a Golden Cakes no sa pepe and also APA ewo akensi enim na Kwame Poku beye Endra ono and making sure say Asante Kotoko lifted trophy now or share 2 goals Ediama Kumasi Asante Kotoko beye and so Edin Sem say etuja.
So much for winning as this trophy. I'm very happy as a player and then for my team because we can't go trophy this season for all the work that we have put in. So I'm very happy today. Asante Kotoko, we can't go trophy and then we were supposed to win the league but unfortunately we didn't win like so we're supposed to do something for my club so I'm happy we won this FA Cup so I'll say we have done what this is.
We are Asante Kotoko and we can't go trophyless this season. And no, Kwame Poku beye ninsema. Ono so edituja na captain for Asante Kotoko. Frederick Asare Abranteno. And so after say omo lifted trophy no as a leader of Asante Kotoko 2024-25 and some say and on also the giant for.
No, they are a good side and also coming to play us, they have the motivation to play us. We didn't have to underrate them. See, it was a tough game for us, but at the end of the day, we were also motivated to do something for ourselves, the family also, the supporters. So that's it.
And no, captain for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Frederick Asare. And it is answer etuja wa making sure say Asante Kotoko this season omonso ensa ebetimi aso trophy mu kama intino in the history of Asante Kotoko no abrante we ni din enso empepem free mu da na ensam no de edoso ye de more enso ebebrel ewo full time ne so yenwra mu enso ewo yade say Accra International Conference Center ho na football awards no enso etimi ekọ so a chese 2025 so a 2024-25 season no football awards ni nyina enso etimi kɔ so na abrantia your friend Thomas Taipate ono na eje best footballer of the season entino mama me Thomas Pate na ono nso etimi eje award no edi esini na so kama say eyade say 2024-2025 eyade say best footballer eko edi ama Thomas Taipate ono nso etimi eje ye edi esini na so sanso na eyade say goalkeeper of the season no enso eko edima Benjamin Asari House of Folk goalkeeper of the season ono enso ena etimi J sa award no edi esini na so ena afen so Razak Simpson abrante no ena eje eyade say home base player of the season Razak Simpson ena enonso otimi eje sa abasobode no enso etimi edi ni scene na so na eyade say goalkeeper enso eko edema Steven Amankuna abrante no ena enya goalkeeper enso ewo 2024-2025 league season no enso emu ena goal stars omonso etimi eje eyade say team of the season enonso eko edema baby any goal stars enso ewo honoma omo ena eje sa abasobode no enso etimi ede esi omo na so na special fan award eko edema Nana Pole yes enti Nana Pole they say empanyimfo na abrante ne kama say a special fan award and I say Nana Pole enso ejima they say memenda no ono ankasa ne ho kani oja na chire ene kogina enso eje abasobode no enso edema ni kunu enso ehonmo ensem ne doso ebre ne ekopa ene mom no momma me asante roko penalty na omodi je MTN FA Cup and the controversies bebre enso etimi ede abakrom here amanfo ekire omadwene efa ho ye pa na munya botre na yenhwe penalty na eyade se referee enso eje etia be golden case na nti penalty ni nie yes from baby ayeti die ubeka say goalkeeper no etache ball no nenso referees no eje penalty enso edema eyade se asante gorokwa omo enso edi win trophy no na referees na omo kodi akansie no mama me FA Cup officials no na yemfa enka nsem ketwa bi na emba enso entimimra FA Cup officials no say ewo ha momfambra na afen so yemfa initially nanka eye referee Selom Yao Bless ono ena empanyimfo appointing say obeye center referee na mom no akansie ne hyase no na Latif Adari oye fourth official ono ena edi game no enti center referee Selom Yao Bless ono ena eda so anka obedi ball na mom no ye starting game na Latif Abdul Adari ono ena ekodi game no and so sadie we no Asante Kotoko semi-finals against Brekum Chelsea the same thing and so it happen 9:30 yet more and so ebetimi Abrao Prince Bedu yes abrante wusi akan Edema Nations FC ene wa wodanti Prince Bedu yema happy birthday pa kese and so Sansona Imo o adansia crew from anope o monitor dwumade no and so edin den honomo entino powers we can see now activities near park BBI fine na mom no my mo yene aye boss Mr. Jeffrey Asari on say panyi bi wo ho no tu kwan a nanka ensuo ba ne de obepe ba bi agina na mom ogina ensuo nim eno onim nyina eye interviews no yes enti e how dedicated and supporter or they my as a leader enti me proud say menya no as a boss because ensuo tokra oginam no ye adwuma no o ma won feel bad.
We are all proud of him.
Yes.
We are all proud of him. You be coming on here, but man be so more fans for platform na so Facebook na. Be hu nana ya adepa sagacious minim so adam for no there.
Yeah, or Jordan.
Or Jordan. Adam for no.
Na ye ne na Sompa de tamane e wo fida dem no oba ho pa.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Na powers we dem come ref.
Udo ye maminko.
Me ame baba masha. We see me na no painting no. Yes, masha obre my west. Me fa kwanya we so achia.
Me to be call. Okay, without your grace, mommy, a FIFA Club World Cup results APMO over the weekend. I the Uncomo Kakra matches be so over the weekend. I will FIFA Club World Cup and as well say now results on a be a Nika and Yasam Ketwa tenderly in APM our Club World Cup and I say now with him said the first game of the tournament, you know, a Yanadi Elali from Africa, and then Inter Miami game with a pie, Obia and Tuman and watching PHE, European champions, Etna Atletico Madrid 4-0, over the Jenny Fabian Rios with the first goal on the 19 minutes, and watching Victor, Ayman Shada Ferreira, do the offensive Vitinha, and so as a goal, Shani. Aye Mayulu, and also another goal, and a free Akraketwane Bembebo goal. Lee can in or no making 4 at the Mark Club and no get the influence of Toja, and that day Anopa and no only Mr. Botafogo, and so as a club and it at serious sounders, a Camianua Omutimu Paco, or run it in Adijal Cunha Sego, and watching Ego Jesus. O making it too. Edma Botafogo Bobokono, or Christian Rodan, and also Etimu Paco, we use some Pameras, Essen and Sogo, FC Poro, and some Antoman Sogo was out to make anymore. Banyan 10, Auckland City, no. A game back one. As I recall, Banyan Bobocon, which ya no metimo mess, Omegu anymasi, with Winimako Basa, the part of Banyan 10, Auckland City, no. Kingsley Coleman with 2 goals. Ogran tennis Sasha Boy, and also a goal. Michael Olise, about 2 goals. Thomas Muller, I said 2 goals. Jamal Musiala, and so about hat-trick. And the first hat-trick of the competition. And you registered our tournament was a non. Aye dear bar, and that day Anopayagu said in some at the MET for Sompa 93.1 so. Mama Penny found some marks a bell. Namitin home Komakakra, Wakasa, at your photos were Kemichon, Obekia non-water, boy, no, I could Sunday pray. No peninacy, Joe is on the pitch, and I'm taking care of the south of the pitch. And to the Akuranika, and it's a buying team, no, or some potent striker, buying a here. Top notch striker, sporting director, and see Akrano the honorable ball. Dear canon of the fit issues, you know, and you know, and also Chai, and so to be the son and sir, Nico Williams, letters in here, you could be so penny and the Teddy Maxwell. So Yatisa and Nanwa Damukoi, Emma Bobo Quantitator, little Bibao, Emma go ahead, some between and Akrano Dinkomo, but Sir Morty, Sir Akrano Denichim, FC Barcelona na. And I say, I don't know anything about that. And some of Mubusana, no name who be Mubusan Sahi, and now chronic in nature, and yet to a bit to Maka, and you're printing son some audio pa, and that tenor, Vincent Company or GD, said one game against Club Boca Juniors, and Mubaya Day, at the game now, Mopayano, simply because of some Boca Juniors, no, when we a traditional club, our South America. Club by Munchen, and see a traditional club, our Europe, and to a bunch of 2 traditional clubs from 2 continents, expect a more tougher competition. And no, I am so opinion, I do 2 channel, no, also do 2 bien, Mr. Bayano, every game approaching here the same. One more Champions League, one more Club World Cup, competition, be a more or my approach is to win. And a bunch of 20 clubs, and we are buying head coach over the team at the Vincent Company summer, and also at Japa, and then 10 years said in some Uncle Twande Pa, Nabian Sotomaya Kama Medica, they are to Mr. Jamal Musiala, or no, and a Chessa or Bo Hartrick, and to Omupana Basso, or Moma Bono, so on from coffee as usual. Now, we said this modern format, by way or none, and they're the first place. Just on no, Mr. That's all Bohatrick. A FIFA Club World Cup and so more. Mommy Ograndini, Rupin Amorim. Massan Swaba Club World Cup never been come. So say Rupin Amorim now powerhouse. A Kokubusan, Saboy and the tenant Victor Yokeris, no, Miateso or Pa, once I'll send you a chronic team come on, and I'll sing and no, one more per players are. One better take Manchester United by their club in Baby Amu Piano, one more pair. And see, we a player, Bebo Grace Mutimuna, I was said the love of the club. And you know what's so decaying, and you are just so your player who pay UEFA Champions League in Woma, Ebanisana, win your player Manchester Bobokono, and so Ebeduchi, one bay some mobile befoul, one more per boys, one more love club, no, to some materials Kunyamo, and not your opinion so somebody to jar, and not no, and to some Victor your carriage, per Manchester United or the club in the job or per Champions League, dear, unforgettable this season, and I am somebody be an so etota and not no mama ogranity and so I think Anton Semenyo and Berechi Eze 2 players way their meeting is Manchester United efeli to acquire boya your friend say a brand a mbemwa me pato their meeting and it's a gun anyway United be kwa share some begin so betuma ba be shakan and so at me a Dama club no on Friday, Paul Horse be a story on the boy and the tell song he mean. Say a very likely song to us all and second from us pace. After some penny form, pulling the trigger on the coach and the thing and so at the Anju Posto Coglono, when him say son he mean and Jose Mourinho Akasa just and ra first call from Jose about point the phone so I'm momentum come on beginning of a possible move from Spurs to Turkey. And so, after some comedy and no, I am some second and some of the stories out on and some at me depa. When Mr. Galatasaray report in second year, and some agree personal terms with I am Mark Andre Ter Stegen situation. I get too complicated from Bobo Kwan the third passer and to become Meti Andre I am. Testaken, so on also be free club anymore, and then you more Turkey, so Turkey, and some Super League, Wama are you busy? When him so already boy and the team, and the Royal Sunny call, Wamugu Samo so share, Bexing Tasamo, Galatasaray, and then from the party, Wamu yes some big moves, and so our transfer market anymore, and no, and somewhere through up, our tip off, and so I go so, get in some out of Ademia for life on Sompana is 3.1. Mammy Ogran, Daddy, he go a kitty. Announce a kitiki. Mamma picture was Sompa TV. Namin Kasa Kakra. Antoine Frankfurt, sporting director. I am Mr. Marcus. I am Cross. Damitini and is on the head of recruitment for Manchester United. Kasa Openino. I am friend Sir Christopher. I am Vivel on in Edincomo. Now, according to Mr. Marcus, I am Cross or no, I am sporting director from Antoine Frankfurt. No. And also United and the Frankfurt. Wamu a year in Kitaudia Mapa Edwomuntem, a banana and Fufa, and no tia, a be at a womansuntem, and no a your grand so summer or day tuja, and not the no, and to the transfer business, I got to China, Frankfurt, and the United, and so that friendly relationship and no ayo penine somebody panano mami Matthias tell and so na medino komo kakra was signed 6 years contract and so they must space probably will agree and obete say ebeba be official so standing the contract no and so they must space no until June 2031 and no yen so na so pa and that no mama mi Chelsea boboko video no a part of Papa Grace and the Kwabna Sante Chelsea training at Womo Ayan ahead of Womonso Club World Cup game. Ebabasu and the day when we set Chelsea about 7 p.m. against Los Angeles Football Club. Mama mi video no na me de unkomo kakra na no ogura de tade en so Maroska saying and no Chelsea boboko be busy. I was transfer market no mo e sans boy and tade jet in Sancho call and was a proper winger. And so at the Chelsea Football Club, Jadon Sancho has left, so we only have 3 proper wingers and no Edward Summer or the 2 channel and also something will surely happen. Chelsea and so a beya TB a transfers no they are watching on Sompa 93.1 again on Sompa television no way a Chelsea and no more final training. I'm also here in August, so we're trying to be down to my camera. Mommy, Auckland City. Ola, you best 10 year goalkeeper and the 10 on Bessado. Wouldn't say, or your Juma, our pharmacy, to say a Juma Yabia, or no, on your pharmacist, or your DT, and some qualification Ibia, dispensing a year technician, a Jumano, or be a bin on so yet, and almost as more motion some party even Asiano, our shop or yetuma a sono napa ebebo club World Cup you best 10 also leave and also at the aba and see the no or say I have had some leave and not just a leaving anyaba to do a combination of annual leave and leave without pay to play against Bayern, Benfica and Boca Juniors. 100% it's worth it. 10 and 1 obeje and again somebody be so go so pa na tai ya go so ya din some go to me tie fu o tbete so mam owura de tani have mascarano ono aye club yummy and so coach and somebody to twan or say we tried to sign Cristiano Ronaldo for the Club World Cup, but he didn't want to join us. We need a world-class striker and we are missing one. And Javier Mascherano or Sinan Komo Sanka Suarez eja be a left side of our attack na Messi eja right side of attack nanka Cristiano Ronaldo and so eja center ho nanka mo attack and treat and way ano ayedan and so adiamomo or say one more pim so ba ankoye Ronaldo de to manim say anya to betima ba amono so etima ye nti wa confirm adiamo power ho say Inter Miami e make some approach no ba Ronaldo etenu wo town enu ye Mascherano sama ono so edia to twa netai an ye gusu edi nsam ade pa na bibia so atumi aja kama ye kobusa coach e fansa enso Maresca say Maresca yete se muko Mark Mignon ho AC Milan mukoi manya no and also number 1 Robert Sanchez, number 2 Philip Jorgensen, number say Akra friends Mike Pendes or also I joined the club to me to Akano say Wamoko and also one ko on to me enka and so some Mami Christian where my Messi security and also Messi bodyguard good Ola as usual Papa Nasa can home. One more pound game, only players, obi satar. One more madrin san komo ko Inter Miami dressing room. Nan komuni Messi ekodin komo. Mete sank again. One asking of the set. Sank bia Messi and fata de more money ate. Body guide, sorry, also more bia quine. Amanenko, when you're Inter Miami official, when you're Inter Miami player, and yato mama quine, I'm also at me a rim, any mess, I couldn't come up and to the and so at the Yasin, Choco, and I was on some part television, so while can't tell about so more beer and Ben Messi, and also and someone else told her, and let the Anopanano, the part of Grace Mumming FIFA Club World Cup, 4 players, Moji, man of the match, MVP, good. Inter Miami, Nadi Elali, Ogrande Daily Oscar, Ayam Ustari, or no Anaji, man of the match. Bayern, any Oakland City, Michael Olise, or no Aji, man of the match. PAG4, Atletico Madrid, no. Vitinha with the man of the match. Interestingly, when Mr. Chelsea new boy now more fun no, a cry friends William Ayam Estival, Osiakai and so Adema Palmaros. When we game against Porto. Shaukrano and a man of the match and ayat the Epa and that the Enson Mumami Group A very open Group A table in here winning so Obia 1 point Ali ever 1 point on with the top FC Porto 1 point Palmeiras 1 point Inter Miami and so 1 point African interest no ho Nadi Elali one next game no me patron yanko pon yadoma one mu be shebo be the tani Palmeiras from Brazil and aye no so and some efru so toja and that anopane agusu de nsama wuto ni no at the air pana bibia so atum aye kama mama mi creeping diata ahofadua beautiful steak creeping diata ni Senegal player no say festival bi ekoso was Senegal ni me nti ono so and was son was as a comfort as a mutia bibisa and a chese a creeping theater and I was on Sompa television so nti ono so guso a originally and so was Senegal Ivan Gennaro Gattuso officially confirmation epanra say Italy national team appointed Ivan Gennaro Gattuso so no and then leading the Squadra Azzurri of Italy 9:30 aba ya the details ni na bepa mpene first men fan to anim 11 o'clock Central European summer time and just on Thursday 19th of June and an official presentation and so because a hotel parco de Principe and no I will room abontenso Gabriel Gravia president no aka nsɛm bebree mmerɛ no nti 9:30 yɛbɛsan so aba wote agyakum blanson orlando nka sɛ ɔde efie nkɔmɔ no ɛde ba yɛfrɛ me ember power yɛsɔre na ɔmahene gyewadu buakye chairman ɛne ne team no abɛtoa so with the morning show 9:30